Wow, amazing. As you can see, all three LEDs are on. That is because we have a switch, we have a resistor, we have our LED, we have a battery, which is our voltage source of our LEDs. We can do this for all the LEDs. I've taken this switch out. My entire circuit is gone off. See again. Doop. So basically this is a switch. Is there another switch here? Yes. Another switch is this one. Look at it. If I take it out, the entire circuit goes off. Because these ones control the path to our voltage source, which is a battery. But if I take the switch off from this side, only one LED goes off because there is a path, specific path for each LED. Again here, the red LED goes off because there is a specific path for a red LED. Here also, blue LED goes off because there is a specific path for blue LED. Wow. Now let me show you how we can vary the intensity of light here. We put our variable resistor here. Pop. Now watch carefully what is happening. We can change the intensity of light in our rooms, for example. You can produce this kind of a circuit. You can produce something interesting in your own room. And when you change the variable resistor, which is close by your bedside, then you can change the intensity of light while you're sleeping. Or you can as well change the colors of the light emitting diodes or the lights in your room. If you want to have green light in your room, if you want to have red light in your room, if you want to have blue light in your room, we could use these principles basically to do that. How interesting is this? This is really nice. We see that because we have resistors, our LEDs are now not dying, but we can play with them. Minimum, maximum, minimum, maximum, minimum, maximum, minimum, maximum, minimum, maximum. Wow, very interesting. What if we have only blue LED on? We can do the same thing. Minimum, look at it, blue. Maximum, minimum intensity, 0, maximum. With electricity, we can do very, very amazing things. We can do very amazing things with electricity. But for that to happen, we have to control our friend called current that flows to enable the lights to be on. We have to control current. If we don't control current, it kills, it destroys our LED. We have to control current so that our LEDs can function well. We can twinkle them, we can vary them, and see interesting things. It's very important in current electricity to control current. If not controlled, current ends up burning things, killing our equipments at home, and so on and so forth. So this is all about current electricity. And we are going to use this very nice device to study current electricity.